So very interesting after the Fed minutes came out. The ES was pinned here at their 6,800 call wall. They did not budge their risk out at all. It actually ticked out one tick, but they shoved it back inside. Um, the NQ though, because of this AI going gangbusters, did break out and went up to the R-ball 325, 335.50, just shy of 25, 350. Didn't quite get up there. So we had um, we still have room on the weekly. Just missed the target on the monthly 30-day 3 R-ball, 364, and in the middle of the quarterly range. So there's still room. I'm trying to see why it stopped right there. Just sort of out in the middle of nowhere. um, just just shy of 25, 350. Okay. But the SPX stuck around with the ES and did not break above its daily tube. So the SPX and the ES were both on their daily twos. Gold hit its daily two and initially got up to the daily two R ball, and then most of the day sort of sat underneath it, and then kind of late in the session around 1 o'clock hit the daily two open and then faded back. So this 4075 was a area of high open interest. It was a call, so that was interesting. At first, I thought it was going to be support, but it turned out to just have an area of open interest. Um, Options on gold aren't that as strong as they are on ES, which live by options. So, and the options on ES are mainly dictated by the um, volatility levels. As you can see, market's still trying to break this level. It's definitely still trying to, even after the close, market on close, trying to get up there. Look at that. You can see here that the dealer hedged the 16 to 375 level, I agree. So these zones, that's what I was talking about earlier with NQ. It's not just one line, the daily two. You've got H ball and R ball open and close. And so you can see clearly that the dealer was hedging the 68 to 375 daily two. gave themselves a couple of ticks on top of their prior high that they reached yesterday. Very pretty. And SDS, called stock. So the market, no doubt, has a lot of optimism. Um, One of the Federal Reserve guys spoke this morning very positively about the future of our economy with this AI boom, and I agree completely. There's a lot of promise. So um, we will look forward to maybe having this line lift eventually. Um, it doesn't look like the market wants to give us a pullback. We'll see if that changes over the next few days. I'll be watching the options carefully on the VIX to see if any of that changes and keep you informed. But as of today, the dealer has not moved for a scalp. And the calls that were placed on the VIX today do not come anywhere into play. I think the X factor for today was the government shutdown. When you have a shutdown, they're going to protect the market from selling off. And I think a lot of that came into play today. And that's not anything new. That has been the same situation since 2008. It's exactly the same. This hasn't been anything new for the current time period. It's always been the same. All right. So that wraps us up today. I hope you had a nice day, and we will see you back at it at our desks tomorrow. If you have any questions, let me know, and hopefully we'll get some more range tomorrow instead of just sitting sideways in a small, tiny range. We'll be able to do some more. We had one big bull bar and then it flattened out. All right. Talk to you tomorrow. Thank you so much.